Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'll be showing you all how I installed this cute little curly bob. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. So this wig is from Ririhair. I received a 14-inch curly bob wig, and I believe the density is 150, but I will leave all the links down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and check them out. Here I'm just showing you all how everything looked once I first received it. I'm not sure if you all can see, but I didn't have to bleach the knots because they came already bleached. I didn't have to tweeze the hairline, and I didn't have to go back in with any scissors or anything to reshape this bob. It was perfect straight out the box. So the only thing I had to do was wash the wig, and after that I just added in some argan oil, and I also added in the argan oil styling mousse because I wanted the wet look. So after I applied everything, I just brushed the hair, and then I separated some curls in the front, and I just twirled it with my fingers, and that's how I achieved those curls. So now I'm going to apply the wig, and I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting 2 slits so that it will be easy for me to work in sections. So today I'm using my Meltdown lace glue, and I just restocked this glue, so I'm going to leave a link down below in the description bar so you can go ahead and pick up a bottle. So I'm just starting in the middle first. All I'm doing is taking my glue and I'm putting a few dots going across, and then I'm taking my popsicle stick and I'm just going to spread it out into a thin layer. And I don't have my blow dryer with me, so I'm just taking my hands and I'm just fanning the glue until it turns clear. Once it's clear, I'm going to apply another layer, and I'm going to do the same process all the way across. Oh, and disclaimer, do not apply glue to your hair, okay? All right. So after that, I'm taking my comb and I'm just going to press everything in, and then I'm taking my scissors and I'm cutting the rest of the lace. So then after that, I'm just adding a few little baby hair, and I'm taking some mousse and I'm going to twist one side. just taking my fingers and fluffing out some of the curls. And I'm not sure if you can tell, but this wig is so full. I'm so in love with these curls. Y'all, I got so many compliments wearing this wig, like seriously. Yeah, so this is the final look, and I'm just playing with it a little bit, just fluffing it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you dolls next time. Bye bye.